Color name. Yellow color. Yellow color. Blue color. Blue color. Red color. Red color. Golden color. Golden color. Green color. Green color. आज बच्चों हम सीखेंगे ABCDST। तो वीडियो को पूरा देखना। ब्लू कलर A for apple. A for apple. Green color B for boy. B for boy. Red color C for cycle. C for cycle. Purple color D for doll. D. Green color E for elephant. Pink color F for fish. F for fish. Orange color G for girl. G for girl. Blue color H for hand. H for hand. Green color I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Red color J for jug. J for jug. Purple color K for kite. K for kite. Green color L for lion. L for lion. Pink color M for man. M for man. Orange color N for next. N for next. Blue color O for orange. O for orange. Green color P for parrot. P for parrot. Red color Q for queen. Q for queen. Purple color R for rabbit. R for rabbit. Green color S for sun. S for sun. Pink color T for tiger. T for tiger. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T. Thank you.